హాయ్ వివర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి ఫర్ మోర్ అప్కమింగ్ వీడియోస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. Hi viewers, in this class we are to learn about some important trigonometric function problems. In AP I generally talk very clear marks. In this we are to learn about this problem, that is root cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. In this we have to take LHS. LHS equal to cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3. We already know that sin square cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. We use this formula in this place. Here x equal to x minus pi by 3. Then we get cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3. We use this formula in this place. We get 1 minus sin square x minus pi by 3. Then we get here 1 plus cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 minus sin square x minus pi by 3. In early class we know that cos square a minus sin square b equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Here a equal to x plus pi by 3 and b equal to x minus pi by 3. By using this formula and these values in above equation, then we get 1 plus cos square x plus cos x plus pi by 3 plus x minus pi by 3 into cos x plus pi by 3. Here minus x plus pi by 3. Minus into minus plus. Here pi by 3 minus pi by 3 get cancelled. X minus get cancelled. Here 1 plus cos square x plus remainder is cos x plus x 2x into cos 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is written as pi minus pi by 3. 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. By using this formula, this value we get 1 plus and cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. In this formula, then we get 1 plus cos square x plus 2 cos square x minus 1 into this is cos pi minus pi by 3. In earlier class we learned about these values. Cos pi by 3 value equal to 1 by 3. Cos pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees, 1 by 2. Then 1 plus cos square x. In earlier class we know that cos pi minus pi by 3 is nothing but cos pi minus pi by 3 equal to cos pi by 3. This is in cos pi minus pi by 3. This is in second coordinate. This is 180 minus theta. Then minus cos. Then we get 2 cos square x. Pi by 3 value is 1 by 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 by 2. and also 1 plus cos square x minus 1 by 2 into 2 cos square x minus into minus plus 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Then we get 1 plus cos square x minus cos square x plus 1 by 2. Cos square x minus cos square x get cancelled. 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2 equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Please note down.